Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to add song to our Instagram post. So for that, let's open our Instagram app. Swipe from left to right, click on post and select your pic you want to upload. Tap on next. If you want to try different filters, you can try here right now. And when you are satisfied, tap on next. Now here you will be seeing many options like tag people, add location, add music, okay, share on Twitter. So for us, we want to add music to our post, right? So tap on the arrow beside the add music option. Now if you have any particular song in your mind, search for it. But for me, I will be selecting the random songs from here. This is a huge library. You can just select whatever song you want. I will be selecting No More What If. Tap done. Then click on share. Voila, that's it. In just 3 to 4 simple steps, you can add music to your Instagram post. So guys, if you like this video, leave like, share, comment and subscribe for more.